The rights of women in the United States are facing another setback after a judge in Texas revoked the approval of a common abortion pill. Legal challenges are already in place, but the battle for abortion rights could reach the Supreme Court once again.
Downtown Amarillo, perhaps best known for being a stop on the road. Now, though, it's the focal point of the war on abortion rights. A judge in this small city handing down a ruling which could profoundly affect abortion access across America. Until now, the battleground has mainly been abortion clinics. Now, the pill, mifepristone, which accounts for more than half of abortions in the United States, is under attack too. A judge ruling in favour of a conservative Christian group who argue it's unsafe. This decision means a drug which has been legal for 23 years could be pulled from shelves in just a week's time. The Justice Department say they will appeal the ruling, but for women like Angel, it represents a worrying escalation. Already a mother of 3, she didn't want any more children, recently terminating a pregnancy by taking mifepristone.
You can do it at home. It's convenient, it's easy, it's safe. It's crazy that it's being criminalized when just a couple years ago it was fine.
Did you ever imagine that this country would be in this position?
I would have never thought this. This war on women has been so much more intense these past couple years.
The judge who handed down this decision is Matthew Kacsmaryk, appointed by Donald Trump during his time as president. Kacsmaryk is a devout Christian who already has a litany of controversial legal rulings to his name. He is one man who has now made a decision which could disrupt the lives of millions of women. In a state fiercely protective of the right to bear arms, some are intent on removing a woman's right to choose.
God makes a decision, not us. And I know that we take it into our own hands and make the decisions, but no.
So you wouldn't agree with abortion pills and that
No,
sort of thing?
I would not.
Do you feel like getting rid of abortion pills is just a continuation of
the beginning stepping stone of them slowly taking away all our rights, our bodily function rights, yes.
How does that make you feel?
Angry.
The Christian group which brought this case is the Alliance Defending Freedom.
We want women to be informed when they do take these drugs about the risks associated with them.
Is this actually less about safety and more about politics and moving towards a total ban on abortion pills? Is that what really you would like to see?
This case is solely focused on the health and safety of women and girls.
But just minutes after the Texas ruling, a judge in Washington state made a dramatic intervention, ordering that mifepristone remain legal and available in some liberal states. The stage has been set for a standoff which will likely reach the Supreme Court. For women in America, the legal maze which is abortion access has become even trickier to navigate. Martha Kellner, Sky News, Amarillo.